Hi there and welcome to Chat Lead Matrix. My name is Mark DeLeese, and in this video I'm going to be giving you an overview of what you need to do to get up and running. Now this is based on that if you have the total package, so you have the bot, you have the growth tools, you have the autoresponder, and you have the whole package here. If you have the whole package, you need to set up 3 Facebook apps. So you go to Facebook App Developer and this is my administration account. So you will not see this. You'll see when you log in, you'll see something that says Facebook API settings up here. So you need to click on that, and mine is right here. But you need to go to your Facebook app settings right here, and you need to create an app at Facebook and put in the key and secret key in there and go through my video. I have a video on that, exactly what you need to do. So there's going to be one Facebook app that you need to fill out up here. This is for the growth tools and the bulk sender. The bulk sender is right here. And it's also for all the lead generation tools as well. If you have the growth tools, most of your growth tools are in here. There's also the customer chat plugin and a tag machine for growth tools as well. Here's the page response growth tools, so auto commenting on a page. It also has auto commenting on the lead generator, but this is per post. So you can set up a auto reply on comments on a post, but if you want to do the entire page with a click of one button, you do it right here. So you need to set up a Facebook API settings up here. You need to do a second one, which is the page response, and you go right here. And you need to do a third Facebook app, and that is for the bot. Okay, and you go right here to set that up. So at Facebook, you need to set up 3 apps, one up here for the bulk sender and growth tools, a second one for the page response for auto comment and reply, and the third one is for the bot. Okay, and I have video tutorials on how to do all 3 of those. Okay, so once you have set all those up, I'm going to show you how to create a bot. So I'm going to create a bot on this page right here, and if I click on the send button, there is nothing there. There's no get started button right there at all. So I'll go here, and if I go to import accounts, and all my Facebook pages come up right here, and you can refresh this once in a while and to refresh your token. And if you add more Facebook pages, if you refresh this, your pages will be refreshed here, okay, and a new page will show up. So I have enabled Chat Lead Matrix. I have 2 of them enabled here, or 3. 1, 2, 3. This is where you enable the bot or disable the bot for the page. So I've already enabled it here. And once you've done that, you go to bot settings. See that? Go to bot settings, and this is the page I'm going to work with right here. The bots that you've activated, the pages show up in this menu here. So there's the bot settings. I can disable it right here as well. There's how many subscribers you have, and if you click on that, a list will come up of them. You set up your persistent menu right here. I'll show that in another video. And if you want to enable the Get Started button, the Get Started button will be, when they click on Send Message or they go to Messenger. And I'm going to enable the Get Started button. See that? So it's enabled. So if I click on Send Message, you'll see that there's a Get Started button right there. See that? But if I click on that, there's nothing there. So if I click on Get Started, there's no response at all. See that? So I'm going to delete this. And there we go. So there's a Getting Start button. So there's nothing after the Get Started button, but it is activated. Once you've activated the Get Started button, click on Bot Settings. And this is where you would add your sequence, okay, for this page. So I click on Add Bot, and this is your first sequence. And the first sequence we're going to do is the Get Started. Okay, there's the replies, postbacks, no matches, as if it doesn't matter what a person types, it's going to give them that response. But we're going to click on Get Started to get started. What's going to happen when they click on the Get Started? And I'm just going to call this Get Started. Okay. All right. And I'm going to come here, and I'm going to have a text here first, and you can do up to 3 replies without them responding. And I'm going to go, hey, and I'm going to greet them by their first name. This is Mark's bot with chat lead matrix. Okay, now there's no emoticons right here, but if you visit this page right here, it's getemoji.com, and you can pick any emoji you want, and it's so easy to add. So for example, I can grab this one right here, a peace sign. You just kind of put your mouse there and drag and copy. Okay, and I can put that right there. I'm going to paste it right there, a little peace sign. All right, and from there I'm going to add another one, and this is going to be a image, and it also supports GIF images. So it says you can upload or drag and drop. So I have a nice duck image here. It's a duck, and I'm going to drag this one right there. Okay, and it's a GIF image, and it's a nice Daffy Duck image. You see that? And so that's so it's going to say, hey, your name. This is Mark's bot with chat lead matrix. A little peace sign, and then a Daffy Duck. Then it's going to say, and this is going to be a, what should I do here? It's going to be a text with some buttons. So cool that you stop by and to see, how about this? Mark, and how about this? This guy's name is it's Daffy. Is that Daffy Duck? Me and Daffy want to thank you for stopping by. Want to take this bot for a spin. All right, want to take this bot for a spin. So this is where I'm going to put a post back. A post back is response, and it stays within the Messenger window. So I'm going to say yes, and the post, and you can put any ID in here. So I'm going to put post back yes 1. Okay, and you cannot put the same post back ID, so you have to come up with a new one every time. And then it's going to say, or else I'm going to say yes sir or yep, yepper, and not now. How about later? And it's going to be a post back, and it's going to be post back. All right, so I'm going to click on submit that, because you can only do up to 3 replies within without letting them respond. So I'm going to click on submit. Okay, so that's the get started. So if I come here and if I click on the get started, hey, this is Mark's bot, and there's Daffy, and Mark and Daffy want to see it, so yipper or later. Okay, so now I'm going to do the post back. So if they click on yipper, whatever that word means, yippee or whatever, I'm going to, what's going to happen if they click on yipper or later. So that's called a post back. Now I can send them to another website, but I chose a post back, so it's going to stay within the chat window. So you come back to your sequence and add another bot, and now I click on post back. Okay, and I can give this a yipper response. That's kind of, I don't know if I should have, I don't know if that's a word. So now I need to look for the ripper. So it says, let's see, where is it here? Yes 1. That's what I did. Okay, I called it yes 1. So that's going to be the yes 1, and my response is going to be So cool. And just let me pause this for a minute. I got a doorbell here. All right, so I'm going to say so cool. That doesn't need to be all cap. On the button below to see a carousel menu. Okay, and so this is going to be. I should have put a text and button. So I'm going to put text with buttons. So you can see here you can add image, audio, video file, like a PDF, whatever. Quick replies we'll get into. And so I'm going to put text with buttons and click on the carousel button before. So this is going to be another post back. So, and it's going to be a post back. And I'm just going to say post back. All right, so that's it there. This is for the yes response, and I'm going to say so cool. I'm going to have another emoji, and let's see, so cool. Maybe put that one there. There you go. So I can be multinational, right? So cool. And I'll put that right here. All right, thumbs up. And I'm going to click on submit. So that is a response to a post back. So now if I go right here, and if I click on Yipper, see that? So cool. Click on the button below to see a carousel.